This video is intended to provide a brief overview of the Nova platform and to show where the various features can be found. We start in the middle on the home page. Here, you have quick access to 1. Creating a mission, 2. Your asset manager, 3. The mission overview, and 4. Access to more information and FAQs. For details on each function, feel free to watch the respective videos in detail, which you can find where you found this video. Now let's take a closer look at the platform's menu. Here, you will also find the mission overview and the asset manager, as described in the quick access section. In the menu bar, you'll also see the planned new features that are already in development and will be released in the coming months. Below that, you'll find the various types of weather analysis designed to access the appropriate view directly in each mission. Currently, we differentiate between our nowcasting, aware, a 48-hour forecast including radar functionality, and cast, our 7-day forecast. At the bottom of the menu, you'll find the Help FAQ section, where you can find a wealth of information about Nova, the weather data used, and more. The toggle theme function allows you to switch to the dark mode design. Behind the Account and Settings button, you can manage your personal data and account information. For example, you can change user data and passwords here. You'll also find the Unit Manager allowing you to customize the units used on the platform to suit your needs. Furthermore, you can invite colleagues to your account so that all team members can access the same decision basis for their flight weather planning. At the bottom, it's possible to switch organizations, which is only necessary if you are registered with your email address in multiple organizations simultaneously. By clicking on the Nova logo in the top left corner of the platform, you can show or hide the menu bar. On smaller screens like tablets, this happens automatically to optimize space. And finally, there's the Logout button.